time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 3, which is also song number 3, and essential elements for ukulele, Skip to My Lou. So, let's do a quick review of the C chord. I'm just using my thumb to pluck, 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 pluck. Third finger on the first string. And then the G. Oh, and by the way, that's what we're going to need first on Skip to My Lou. And we're going to do it 8 times. So let's just start the song here. And then we'll review the next one as we get to it. By the way, the first few notes here are E, E, and that's the same as our second string here. E, E, and then it goes down to C, C. We don't need to know this yet, but this is just how it goes. And that is our third string. C, C, and then it goes back to E, E, and then a half note is our top string. This is G. So if you're going to sing along, you could do we're going to go lost my partner, what'll I do? Or if we were putting it in string numbers, it would be string 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4. And that helps us sing along. So I'm going to make the C chord, and then I'm going to say, lost my partner, what'll I do? And then switch to the G7 chord. Lost my partner, what'll I do? And then 8 of the C chord again. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Then back to G7. Skip to my Lou, my. Then back to the C chord for 4, 8, 12. Darling, skip, skip, skip to my Lou. G7 for 8. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. Then back to the C chord for 8. Skip, skip, skip to my Lou. And then G7 for 4 and C for 4. Skip to my Lou, my darling. And that's the basic thing that you have to be able to do for that song. I know you can't quite see it in here. It's mostly just for demonstration purposes. You should have one of the books, or if you don't have one, it should be coming real soon. And that was how the whole song goes. So, give it a try a couple times. Once you've got the hang of it, if you want to make it a little more interesting, one of the things that's easier to do is to just kind of play the chords in the same rhythm that we're singing. So if we were saying, lost my partner, what'll I do? See how I did quick, quick, long, long? Because that was the same melody that I was singing, and it's easier for our brains to have our fingers do the same thing as our voice. And you should try singing along. If you're a little bit shy about singing along, or it's hard to read the words at the same time as read the chords and figure out what the chords are and sing it and put it all together, then what you can do is just kind of start humming the melody while I'm singing it. And then that kind of gets you used to singing along or humming along and producing that from up here and in here as well as on here. Okay, so that's how it goes. If you have any questions on it, leave them in the comments section. Otherwise, that'll be your practice for today. And then go ahead and review songs 1 and 2 from the previous page and make sure that it's going well. And we're going to keep going at the next song tomorrow. Good job! And give yourselves a round of applause. Bravo! Yay!